Shalom. This new year of the 2026. The remarks, the emphasizing that preparations of yours, your goods and your plan for whole year, may God bless you. Yet, to remind you, for those who have a land, this is the time for you are seeding everything that supposed for the seedling, the foods, and everything that saving for whole year, especially this year. So that when it comes the vine after 1 year, you are ready. For those who has full of irrigations, easily to plant it, doing plantation for now. For those who are in the city, save more land power for investments in agriculture. This is the message for you this year, so that our food will be supplied better and we will not lack of food during the hardship time, especially for the next year. May God bless you for this year 2026. Shalom.